Hi. Welcome back to Snack Attack. Today we're not trying Ben and Jerry's for lunch. But we are trying more ice cream, and the reason why is because
it is more ice cream.
It is. Well, it's gelato. We got a super coupon to Shop Rite, and I got this stuff, and it was the wrong thing to get, so I didn't actually get the discount. So I don't know what this is.
Talenti.
Organic gelato.
Gelato,
as Giada would say. All right, it's brown butter caramel, and I got brown butter caramel because brown butter is one of my wife's favorite things to eat.
I do not know brown butter caramel is.
Brown butter is butter that's been cooked, so it's burnt.
Yeah.
So let's try this.
Is it gonna taste burnt?
No, it's gonna taste really delicious. It tastes like
burnt stuff.
All right, so it's got this beautiful screw-on cap. Oh, how deluxe that is! And the top
frostburn.
Looks a little frostburn. Looks a little ice there. A little nervous about trying that.
I don't want to try the ice cream. I'm gonna go around it.
I don't know that you can get around that.
It goes away. There we go.
All right, I'm gonna just dig in here and try it. There's a good little ribbon of brown butter on top, brown butter caramel.
Look at that.
All right, I'm gonna have a bite. Ready?
1,
2.
Wait. Smell. Smells like nothing.
It doesn't smell like anything.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's a little icy. It's not creamy, but I love the taste. That's definitely the delicious caramel brown butter taste that you want.
It tastes like cake.
You have another bite.
It tastes like cake.
I was a little disappointed that it wasn't like creamy or like ice.
It tastes like cake.
Cake?
Cake.
It is pretty good. I love this flavor, but it's not creamy.
I feel like I've tasted this flavor before.
I don't know. I'm not a gelato eater, so I don't get gelato often, so I don't know if this is how gelato is or not.
I don't know what gelato is.
If I had this in like ice cream, I'd eat that up.
I'll put it on cake.
She'd put it on cake. All right, now for the wife test. So,
Mom,
let's call the wife in here because she likes brown butter. This is brown butter caramel.
Welcome. Hello.
it tastes like cake. It tastes like cake.
It's very soft.
It tastes like cake.
Hold on.
I'll put it on cake.
Well,
It tastes a little bit of brown butter.
It tastes like cake.
So what do you think?
Cake. That's what I think.
Quickly.
I don't think it's creamy enough.
Yeah, I don't think
It's
that.
cake.
I agree.
I feel like it's more like icy.
Yeah, it's like brown butter water ice.
On the
Brown butter water ice.
that would be
All
bad.
right, so let's grade it. I give it a 6 out of 10. I love the flavor, but the creaminess needs to be
I'm
higher.
going with a 5 out of 10 because I feel like there needs to be more brown butter. I'm all about brown butter.
Well, there is a big.
See, I missed out on that. I could dig on down there. I'm gonna dig them down.
There.
Oh, look at that.
9.5.
9.5 out of 10.
All right.
That means you really like it.
Cake.
And there you have it.
Still a 5.
Kid likes it. I think it's okay. Mom thinks it's All right. We'll see you next time.
Click the bell like.